What's up guys? Good morning and welcome back dito sa ating channel, no? Ako po muli ang inyong Daddy West para naman sa isang panibagong video. Okay guys, pag-usapan natin ngayon is about sa short, no? Short video. At ito ay pinahaba na nga. Ginawa na nga itong 3 minutes. Okay, so dalawa na yan. Ang shorts is 4 seconds hanggang 59 seconds. Short video, pwede pa rin naman yan. And yung ating longer short is 1 minute to 3 minutes. Vertical or square. Ibig sabihin mga palangga, yung aspect ratio natin na 16:9, YouTube standard video, para sa long. No, yung vertical sa my longer short. Ang sabi dito, this was top requested feature by creators. So we're excited to give you more flexibility to tell your story. This change applies to videos that are square or taller in aspect ratio. Ibig sabihin yung mahaba, no? Yung 9:16 or vertical na video. So, ito mga palangga, baka magulat kayo nito kasi pag sabi nyo upload ako pero sa shorts pumunta. Nakikita natin to sa ating YouTube studio. Pag binuksan natin, kung tayo ay naka-browser. Ang sabi dito, understand 3 minutes YouTube shorts. You can soon start creating your video shorts up to 3 minutes in length. So, haba 3 minutes. This gives you more time to tell your story, showcase, etc. etc. Okay, dito na tayo. Eligibility for 3-minute shorts. Ang sabi dito, the longer shorts may not show up as short. Hindi pa siya mapupunta sa short within your channel page straight away, and you may not see any traffic from the shorts feed yet. Hindi pa natin makikita. It will take a few weeks to update all of the system and services where shorts are shown or recommended, like channel pages, home, or what's next. Ano ba yan? Okay guys, putulin natin yan ha. Dito nakalagay dito ha. Dito sa pangalawang is na videos uploaded after October 15, 2024. Any videos uploaded on or after this date with a square or vertical aspect. So, automatic pala to guys. Kung ang video natin ay square na 3 minutes ang length or vertical. So, ipahaba. Ayan ang nakalagay dito. Square or vertical aspect ratio up to 3 minutes. In the length will be categorized as short. Automatic siya guys. Pag in-upload natin siya, mapupunta siya sa shorts on YouTube. These videos can be monetized in the shorts revenue sharing model from shorts feed. Uy, sa shorts siya talaga. Videos uploaded before October 15. Any videos uploaded before this date will remain the same as long-form videos on YouTube. This video can continue to be monetized in the long-form revenue sharing model on the watch page. Ganun? Currently, you cannot create a 3-minute short via shorts camera in the YouTube. So ngayon, hindi pa tayo guys, yung direkta, hindi pa natin ito magagamit. Okay, ang sabi dito, kung halimbawa gagamit tayo ng music, ito importante ito ha. Third-party claimed content for short that is over 1 minute. Hala, yung mga 1 minute ay ano na mga music na ginagamit natin. Any short that is over, sobra sa 1 minute in duration with active content ID claim o may CPR ha, kung tawagin natin CPR, yung may gumamit ng music, may claim, no? Copyright claim. Claim of any type including manual claims will be blocked globally on YouTube. So hindi tayo guys pwedeng gumamit ng mga music dito sa short natin ha. Oo, kasi ibablock. The video will not be playable or recommended on YouTube and will not be eligible for monetization. Dapat ang mga music na gamitin natin guys, yung YouTube audio library lang, shorts, hindi naman tayo makagamit dito ng shorts music. So, kailangan ang music na gagamitin natin dito is from YouTube audio library din. Para may sharing lang, hindi siya CPR or bablock siya. There are no penalties to your channel. Uy, wala naman problema sa channel natin kasi nga CPR naman. Sharing lang yan or mapupunta doon sa kanya ang ating revenue. You may remove the claimed content from your videos. Ay, so parang long form din siya, no? Pwede nating alisin. Meron doon mute, change music, dispute, pero wag na natin gamitin yung dispute. Anyway, if you believe that the claim was made in error, you can file a dispute. Yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, pagka gumamit tayo ng music, ay wag na tayo mag-dispute kasi alam mo naman, lagi tayo dyan talo. Right? Maliban na lang kung kumakanta kayo at yung vocalize sa inyo, pwede kayo mag-dispute para baka pagbigyan. No? Halimbawa, yung video na ginagawa nyo is cover song. So, yun, dinidispute naman yun. At kadalasan naman doon ay naaalis yung CPR. Pero kung hindi pumayag yung third party, maaring magkasundo kayo dyan sa sharing. Anyway, once the claim is resolved, your short will be viewable and eligible for monetization. Guys, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung sinasabing short dito, yung 3 minutes na ha. There are no changes in limitation for shorts that are less than 1 minute in length. So, yung dati nating short video, up to 59 seconds. Same pa rin, walang changes. Ito lang, yung... Anyway guys, wala naman na tayo magagawa dito dahil automatic naman. So, kadalasan sa atin, yung mga video natin na vertical at ina-upload natin sa may long form natin, automatic na to. Gagawin na to ng YouTube na sa longer shorts niya na ito ilalagay after a week. Yun nakalagay dito. Anyway, sige nga, itry nga natin mga palangga. Try natin kung paano mag-upload nito ha. Upload tayo ng shorts or yung vertical video. Okay.